Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace wiper inserts in Volvo XC40. To lift the wiper blade up, first turn the power on in the vehicle, and then you will need to press the wiper service position button in the menu, and the wipers will lift up. And make sure to turn off the power before you remove the wiper blade. We have already replaced the insert on the driver's side, so right now we will remove the passenger wiper. You have to press the button in the middle and pull it up. You will need to put the wiper on the rag to make sure it does not scratch the glass. To remove the wiper insert on Volvo XC40 wiper blade, you will need to remove this cap on the end. We will remove the right side or the top side because, as you can see from the driver's side insert, it has a small cutout. And we will recommend you to put this end inside warm water to soften the plastic before you start prying it off. Now we will use a small flat screwdriver to pry these two latches. And the cap will come off. This is how it looks. And now you'll be able to pull the insert out. And like we said, guys, as you can see, this is the cutout on the right side. Right here we have the replacement inserts. These are aftermarket ones. And as you can see, they are longer than our inserts. We'll have to cut off appropriate lengths. And also, guys, when you get these inserts, yes, you can split them like this. There are 4 in the set, and they are relatively cheap. The main important thing that you have to make sure that the base, the width of the base is 6 millimeters. This one will fit Volvo, and as you can see, they look almost exactly the same. The length of the wiper blades in Volvo XC40 is 24 inches for the driver's side and 20 for the passenger, but keep in mind that this is the length of the whole wiper blade. The length of the insert will be slightly shorter. So right now we are looking at the driver, and as you can see, the length is 23 inches and 3/4. And as for the passenger side, the blade length is 20 and the insert is approximately 19 3/4. So this will give you an idea the size of the inserts that you need to get as a replacement. The length of our replacement insert is 32 inches, it's quite long, and we'll have to cut it off right here. We will mark the place where we'll make the cut. This is how it looks. And we will have to make a small cutout on the new insert, same as we had on the original blade. We made a similar mark on top, and now we can cut it out. Use small scissors The cutout will go into this position where you can see these two keys, you can call them. They will hold it in place, and these keys are only present on the right cap, not on the left one. They're slightly different. And now you can insert the new insert into the blade. Now we can install the cap. First insert the insert into the cap where we have the key. And then snap it back in place. And the replacement is complete. If everything was done the right way, you will see that the insert moves slightly inside the blade. This is normal. And another thing I would like to point out is it comes with a special coating that will reduce friction and the noise, which is a good thing. Now we will install the blade with the new insert. Push it in. We will start the vehicle and disable the service mode for the wipers. Again, swipe it to the right and press the button. And now guys, let's see how they work. I don't hear any noises and don't see any lines on the windshield. Again guys, both wipers work like they should, which is great. This means we did everything the right way. I will leave you the link in the description for the inserts for the Volvo XC40. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.